Hi, VU2 Echo Sugar Echo here, Farhan, and I wanted to just show off the version 3 of sBitx. So, this is a fairly compact radio, as you can see. Um, you can actually put it in your backpack if you need to. It's about um, there you go. Well, it's about 10 inches by 5.5 inches, and it's actually pretty. I've just taken this out and I'll explain to you why I've flipped it this way, but it's a very compact radio otherwise. And it's got a large heat sink, and because of the large heat sink, you do not require a fan, so it's an extremely silent radio. Um, it provides 25 watts output, which is actually pretty good. People mostly are unable to distinguish this from a regular 100-watt radio. At the same time, it runs very cool and compact, and it uses very common power amplifier transistors. So in case you ever blow up the power amplifier, that shouldn't be a problem at all. Now, I'd like to just explain to you a couple of more features of this radio. So I'm just going to switch it off for the time being and show you some stuff, rather walk through the radio. So as you can see in at the back, there's nothing here at all, except that there are these small holes through which you can actually put a battery case here or an antenna tuning unit here. Then what you will see here is that there are just 3 jacks meant for this particular jack here is meant for uh, that's my election symbol uh, for the key and mic and the ear. And you will see that the DC input connector is an XT60, so that this can directly be used with LiPo batteries of drones, which are pretty cheap these days. So, for instance, I can use this with a battery which looks like that. Okay, 11.1 volts, 4.2 milliampere hour battery, and this connector here will directly mate in here. So I can actually use this for my work. And it's got a standard BNC connector here. So um, that's how this radio works. I'm going to take out this battery because I think I'm running a little low on the battery, but nevertheless, there we go. So, and then I just click on the icon to start it up again. Now let me explain to you uh, the user interface itself. I'm just going to zoom in here a little bit and show you the screen here. Just turn this a little here, the camera, okay. I'm going to move this in here. Okay. So what you see here is the mode button, and the way the user interface works is like this. You touch on this, and to change the value, you basically do this here. Okay. So now I can tune this around. Let me just see. Now this is the IF the IF gain. So I can move this up and down, and let me just see if I can tune into my regular morning net here. So the